Hello students, welcome to again in summer camp. I hope you are doing fine in summer camp. So today we will do very easy and interesting painting. So let's start it.
So we need a white paper sheet, sketch pens, some painting brushes, and some forks, a knife, few potatoes, and few fabric colors. First of all, we'll cut the potato into half with the knife. You can take the help of your parents for that. And then on the half cut potato, we'll apply yellow color with the painting brush like this. Apply the color properly and evenly. And then we'll put it down on a white paper sheet like this to get a very beautiful pattern of the potato. See, like this. Cover the empty spaces with the brush and yellow paint. Apply some color again and put it down once more. We'll apply some color once again. And with the help of a fork, we can hold the potato easily. Apply the cover evenly on the potato and again paste it on the white sheet. Press it little forcefully to get a beautiful pattern. Like this. We have to apply the color every time we paste a pattern, students. So again we'll apply some color, this beautiful bright yellow color, and we'll paste it. See how beautiful pattern we got. And after this, we will take another potato and cut it like as shown to you. We'll take this small piece and we'll apply the same yellow color on it. You can hold the potato easily with a fork and then paste this small piece over here to get the pattern like this. Now apply the color once more and paste it over here near the second big pattern. Now we will get our third pattern like this. Press it forcefully. Now you can see we are taking some other color like blue color. Following the same technique, we will firstly apply color over it and then put it down to get a pattern. Like this. You know, those yellow colored patterns are looking like chickens. You know, the baby chicks? And these blue colored patterns, they will look like clouds. Following the same technique, again we will apply some blue color over here. We are using deep blue. And just near the first one, we will get our second pattern, leaving no space from the first one. Fine. Just cover the empty spaces with a painting brush, like this. Apply some color again. And just turn your potato a little to get a curved shape, curved pattern like this. And then, leaving some space, we will get our another pattern on the other corner of the sheet. We'll cover this empty space. And for the last time, we will apply this blue color over here and we'll get our last blue pattern. So, this is how we got our clouds. Let me fill this empty space. Now, after this, we'll take another small piece of potato and we will apply red color on it. Fork will make it easier to handle it. Then we'll twist it over here just above our clouds. You know, this small red potato will give us a hot sun. Yes, so this is how we got our sun. Now after this, what we will do next, we will take another small potato and we'll apply green color on it. And we will paste it over here. We will paste it many times like this to get the pattern of tree. Yes, these green patterns are looking like a tree. Blue are clouds, red is sun, yellow are the chickens, and these green will depict tree. A beautiful green tree. So after pasting it few times, let me finish it firstly. Like this. We'll take a thin painting brush and some brown color and we'll draw the stem of the tree like this. You all know the stem of a tree is of brown color, so that's why we will use brown over here. Just keep it little long. Like this, and then now we will take green color and we'll draw few lines over here like this with the help of a thin painting brush. These lines will depict green grass. Okay, we will draw these kinds of line over here along this side. Then we will take a orange sketch pen and we'll draw the beak and feet of our chickens. Coming to the second one, small beak and the feet. like this. Let's draw the peak of the third one also. The feet as well. After this, we'll take a black sketch pen and we'll draw the eyes of the chicks. A small cute black eye. And then we will draw the rays of our red hot sun with red color. Like this. And our painting is ready. Thank